When you know they're not moving.
Look at that. Our pylon just split up.
Oh, they're wrecking.
All the birds are spinning around the number 5. That's Tony Breidinger. She gets it. But she had a chance to save it.
Like,
Caution is out for the second time.
Kind of looked like she got air, but I'm always looking for that anyways.
Yeah, Tony's got 4 flat tires right there. I don't believe the left side is completely detrimental to her night.
No, that's...
I'd have to see it again.
Didn't look hard.
Nice she was able to bring it down pit road right away. Bring it into our pit box. So we take a look at what happened.
I wonder if that was just another getting loose off of the corner.
See, turn 4 again.
Yeah.
Gets a little loose.
Same thing. In turn 4, to me, was always one of those corners that you had to anticipate where your truck was going to be. I felt like I always needed to start having a little bit of wheel.
The roof flaps and everything, it didn't.
You got to that part of the corner where you needed the banking started to flatten out. I always felt like I needed to have right there.
It just got light. It didn't
go.
The
front tires turned too far. I always felt like
it's all really about this push and really what happens on the back straightaway.
Ben Rhodes restarting on the front row next to Brent Enfinger. Johnny Sauter, Tanner right behind them.
One lap.
38 truck is the radio we just heard. He's third in line on the outside line in the 38.
Tanner Gray with a big push here to Grand Enfinger. Clear Grand Enfinger before we get into turn 1.
Yeah, what's Gray going to be able to do now?
Down the back straightaway.
He's got a
this
block.
Is when it gets interesting. When that lead truck gets out there too far and the outside lane or the inside lane gets connected, they're coming with a high rate of speed. Grant's done this enough.
He just let him
go. That is too fast to block.
Two teammates working together. Johnny Sauter pushing Ben Rhodes.
It's not over yet. They got out there pretty far. Grant's going to get quarter paneled there, so slow him back down. The top's going to have a decent run off the corner.
Oh, they nearly wrecked right in front of that
free white. That's going to hurt the outside lane. It's going to help the bottom bring it to the end.
Green light, checker flag in the air. Ben Rhodes wins stage number 1.
Right moves happen.
That goes back to what we talked about before the race started with the rookies.
Oh, smoke.
Right? Do something. Oh, we got the wrecking back here.
Oh, he's on fire. Maybe not fire, but the other guy spun behind him.
Right behind him.
Yeah, that was Dawson Sutton right behind him on the apron. It looks like some sort of engine trouble.
I thought I saw fire for a second.
Our 5th caution of the evening.
It popped out of gear and they just blew up.
Their gear just blew up. Yeah, I wonder if he needs.
Well, so he just went back through the middle. I wonder if it was blowing up before too.
I don't think the truck behind him of Sutton got tore up. It looked like he just spun around. And the 18 truck of Ankrum is done.
There's Ankrum, bottom of your screen, and Sutton right behind him. Oh, right there.
Oh, man.
Sutton just got caught up, slipped out the oil on the track.
I wonder if he just made a quick move and then kind of got the truck up. Here's what I'm talking about where they're going to make speed. See how they're catching Parker Kligerman in front of them.
Oh, crash! Oh.
I was just going to say they're
that's Clay Greenfield.
Until now, Greenfield hard into the inside wall. That'll bring out our 6th caution of the night.
Man, he's what? Oh, I thought he was like a lot older than 40.
And this is the.
You gonna try to drive that thing away?
They were trying to make time and get ahead so much that after they make their green flag pit stop.
You're gonna need a few guys jumping on the.
But if the caution comes out like it just did, now they have to pit.
Funny.
All the other trucks have already pitted, and they're
still it's another one of those off turn 4 situations.
Here's what happened.
Oh my goodness.
95
yep.
Turn 4 again. And
3rd time tonight.
Yeah, and the way that
all 3 cautions for incidents have been there.
Over that section of the corner, we've talked about it all night. They just get free right there, and sometimes they get tight. You wind up with wheel, but then it snaps. So that loose condition has definitely popped up several times today.
And I think it's just getting worse and worse over the years. I don't remember it being this bad in the truck series. It seems like just over time, the track loses grip, right? The asphalt gets a little bit worn out. And a lot of it depends on how aggressive you want to be. We talked about that too, Kevin.
Yeah, that's why we're America's #1 motorcycle insurer.
Oh, they're wrecking.
Everything. Look,
Don't do that. This reminds me of my bike.
Oh, this is gonna be a big hit.
The Wolf is
Oh, yep. No flip-flop.
Yeah, no flip. See, I was thinking the same thing. I'm like, uh-oh, McDowell's going around. They're all going around. But, yeah, nobody flipped. And that was all a bad push. I think somebody might have actually tried to go down and fill the hole again. But that could have also been the push that made him go down. He tried to fill the hole.
You see that we're trying to see where exactly this all started right here.
Yep, 91. Like I said, he tried to go back up.
What did you see there, Joseph?
Joseph? That's his actual name?
Really ahead of him.
I didn't even know that.
Wait, let's watch that back one more time. Yeah, it's already kind of started there. Back to that aerial view, the 11 gets to the outside of the truck that was in front of him, and he didn't mean to. And I think he lifted here, right here. The 19 and the 11, right here. I think they see how he gets up next to him. It doesn't mean to. It kind of checks up everything back here, and then it kind of pushes the 91 a little bit sideways to where Ben Rhodes gets to his outside a little bit and gets the timing off and just flips him in the corner of his bumper, and that just sets off a chain reaction of just trucks get destroyed.
Yeah, and the further that you get back, when those trucks check up in the front of that line right there, and then all of a sudden the trucks that are 2 or 3 behind you don't see anything happening, and they keep shoving you, and you're trying to let off, and you get into the outside like we saw Ben Rhodes do into the right rear quarter panel there, and it just sets this wreck off.
Yeah, I mean, you got to think. I mean, you're all over the truck in front of you. All you see is rear spoiler. So when that truck checks up, there's no time for you to really, adapt or adjust to that, and then you just run into it.
And you saw the flames come out of the pipes of the 99 truck in that shot right there.
That was a big hit by Michael McDowell in the 07 head on. There's the 71. Look at Rajah Caruth.
That's the worst slide. The worst feeling, I think, in motorsports, because it's the longest slide, knowing an impact is coming your way. And you just hope it doesn't hurt that bad. That's a pretty good hit there.
Just destroyed the truck front to back. Well, that 15 is being way too aggressive. He's gonna try to get past that 75.
Even though Ben Rhodes has damage,
he might wreck him like he almost did in the last 2 cars. Oh boy.
Look at the alliances here. You have Parker Kligerman as a Chevy. He's by himself. He's got 2 Toyotas behind him in that lane. I'm not feeling too good if I'm Parker.
No, not at all.
You see the 17 truck shoot through the middle.
Oh, 99 is sideways.
99 to Ben Rhodes, the leader there in the bottom, was moving around so much into turn 3.
Look at Parker. Here comes the white. It's official. Next flag ends it. Side by side. Flag is in the air. 1 lap to go from Daytona. That 3rd lane. A lot of energy on the outside. Boy, 3 wide.
This is now going to become a pushing contest.
Uh-oh.
Parker Kligerman up the racetrack. He's got that outside lane behind him. And he thought
Kligerman.
That lane was going to
Can he win it?
Johnny Sauter behind him.
Parker.
Here comes the run for Johnny Sauter. If he could...
Oh, he almost got turned.
He's got his teammates behind him. Ben Rhodes goes up. Gets into the truck.
Okay, they might not throw the yellow. I don't think they will.
Out front. Corey Hyde behind him. They're wrecking behind him. Lane Ricks goes around.
Reckon a bunch of them. Cautions out. Kligerman wins it. Kligerman.
Parker Kligerman.
I mean, that was kind of inevitable that they're just going to start wrecking.
Yellow flag.